We reached another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, January 31st, and we got a few economic news releases scheduled for today. So let's jump right into it. We have the unemployment cost index for the fourth quarter. Third quarter, we're at 0.3%, and actually forecast predicted to go up a little bit, and came in at forecast. So the cost for employment obviously went up slightly in the fourth quarter from the third. Next item is Case-Shiller home prices. This is for November's numbers. And basically, kind of like the other price index we had seen before, we were actually low in October. So we had a negative 1.2%, and basically came in pretty close, about the same, 1.3% drop in home prices for November's numbers. Now, let's go ahead and take a look here at the Chicago PMI. This is the manufacturing in Chicago region. We had 62.2% in December. We figured it would come down a little bit, 61.5, and it actually dropped a little bit more than we anticipated. So a little bit more of a drop in manufacturing in Chicago. And last but not least is the consumer confidence for January. We had back in December 64.5, so it's a decent number. We figured it would kind of continue to grow, and actually dropped to 61.1. So meaning people are not feeling too good where our economy is heading right now. And obviously that doesn't bode well, because that could lead to people not maybe shopping or retailing, going to sales retail stores, and getting the economy kick-started. So we kind of need the consumer confidence, consumer sentiment both to be up, to get risen. So hopefully you need to feel like a little bit of a hope to kind of move forward. So let's jump over to the headline news. And basically all we really got today is the stock market's down. There, basically everything's being based on the technicals that we just saw from the economic news releases. So we'll kind of see how this is playing out in the bond market and see where interest rates are moving. We went yesterday, we were down about 9 basis points, so we settled just below the ceiling as we tested the ceiling. Today we are up 6 basis points from where we left off, and so we're kind of in the middle of the range there. So as you can see, we're still within the trend line of going upwards. But as I mentioned before, we did have a couple opening gaps over the last few days, from Thursday to Friday, and even Friday to Monday. So we gotta be careful that it will, at some point, some good news will probably make it drop. As to when that will happen, maybe this week, we'll see. But right now, interest rates are still pretty good. They're about the same as where we left off yesterday. There's not much difference in the basis points to make a big difference in the interest rates. So interest rates are about the same as where we left off yesterday. You guys have a great day. If you guys are on the website, please subscribe, get your free updates, and see you tomorrow.